Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue.
Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Now we need to type this command c colon and simply press enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup1 and hit enter. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Type in bootrec space / fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command.
Now type in bootrec space / fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command cd space c colon /. Now type this command cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command bcdedit space / exports space c colon / bcd backup, then hit enter. Now type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Now type cd space c colon / and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c colon /boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now type ren space c colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space / rebuildbcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.